Bookkeeping mistakes can cost you thousands in missed tax deductions, penalties, and bad financial decisions. Hi, I'm Gabby Archer, and in this video, I'm going through 5 bookkeeping mistakes and how to fix them so that you can keep more of your hard-earned money. One of the biggest mistakes for new and old business owners is mixing your business and personal finances. Mixing business and personal finances makes for disorganized books, IRS red flags, and a headache during tax season. What you want to do, and it's never too late to do this, is open a business bank account and get yourself a business credit card or debit card, and then make sure you pay yourself properly through the business. Whether you're LLC, S Corp, or bigger company, there's a right way to do that. Don't just take money out of the business account just willy-nilly. Make it a structured occurrence that happens maybe every 2 weeks. All right, mistake number 2 is not categorizing the transactions properly. What I tend to see is inconsistencies with categorizations or just miscategorizing altogether. So what you want to do is get yourself a bookkeeping software. I use QuickBooks with my clients. This can set up automation so that you're very consistent. And then it will also remember how you've categorized certain transactions in the past. You can set up rules that will come into play when certain transactions come through the account. It will recognize them and categorize them accordingly. Also, make sure you're saving your receipts. QuickBooks also has a mobile app you can scan your receipts on and upload them into QuickBooks. Also, you should be setting aside time once a week to go over the transactions, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes. This can go a long way. All right, so mistake number 3, not reconciling your accounts. If you're not reconciling your bank accounts, you're either gonna have missing transactions or duplicate transactions. So you really wanna reconcile all of your accounts, credit cards, checking accounts, and you wanna do this monthly. A bookkeeping software or an accounting software makes it very easy and actually fun to reconcile your accounts. You go through your bank statements and you check off all the data that you have, compare them. If anything's missing, make sure you find it and add it into the software. Or if you have duplicates, make sure you take care of those as well and fix all the discrepancies right away. Reconciling is a great way to make sure everything is accounted for. And mistake number 4, not saving for taxes. You should be setting aside 20 to 30% of your revenue to pay your taxes. Also, you can set up quarterly payments if it is something that you are required to do. And a pro tip, you can set aside your 20 to 30% for taxes in a separate savings account so that you know never to touch it. And finally, mistake number 5, not reviewing your financial reports regularly. Make sure you're checking your profit and loss statement monthly. Always be looking at your cash flow report to make sure you're not going to be running out of money. And then make sure you're constantly looking at your balance sheet to check on the overall financial health of the business. If you get familiar with these 3 reports, you'll be able to make really good business decisions. And if you're not really sure what you're looking for, you can ask your tax accountant to kind of go through and give you some pointers. Looking at your profit and loss statements and financial reports can show you where your high expenses are, or if you have low profit, and can get you thinking what you need to work on to fix that. Good bookkeeping isn't just for taxes. It helps you make smarter business decisions all year long. Avoiding these 5 bookkeeping mistakes can save you time, money, and stress. And if you're not sure where your financials stand, you can take my free bookkeeping scorecard. I'll leave a link in the description below. It will help you gauge whether you're on track or if you need some help. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what are some bookkeeping mistakes you've made in your business.